going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Alyssa Morrison, or the Alyssa Morrison if you are new here. And can we just look at these spray tan hands for a minute, because I just want to get them out of the way. Tried to do a self tanner and wow. Today I wanted to share with you guys a new product that I found and have been testing out for the past few weeks, and I just have to get this video up because I really want to talk to you guys about this, and it's something that I think a lot of people would be interested in trying. I'm talking to you guys today about the Anastasia Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. Before we jump into the review, make sure that you are subscribed by clicking that big red button down below and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. The product that I am using today, I'll go ahead and link it in the down bar below so you guys can check it out. This is a newer product by Anastasia, and everybody that I heard try it absolutely loved it. So I really wanted to give it a try. As someone who doesn't wear a ton of makeup, my eyebrows are something that I really like to have stand out. Also, can you hear my dog chewing in the background? Rocky, look at your haircut. Can you show him your haircut? I cut his hair yesterday. It was really delightful. I would show you guys how I use it and then talk about the pros and cons and my overall opinion. I like to use these trim mascara wands to apply this product. I like to either use a new wand or wash my wands in between uses because the wax is very thick and can kind of get clogged on the actual bristles of the spoolie brush and cause you to have like clumps. I'm just gonna zoom in here. Okay, so here are my eyebrows currently. So I'm just going to take a clean spoolie and brush through them with no product. You can tell that my eyebrow hairs are not... There is sunscreen in my eyebrows. It's balling up. That's really cute. Really good look for me. You can tell that my eyebrow hairs are not even at all. Not even in the slightest. I do my own eyebrows and boy, are they not sisters. They're long distance cousins, if anything. Okay, so now I'm just going to take the product and the spoolie and screw the little lid here. I like to bend the spoolie in half like this. And then I just ever so slightly dip the product in a couple times like this. You barely want any on your brush. Too much is not easy to work with, and I like to start kind of my mid to ends of the brows and then work my way inward. But you're basically just shaping your eyebrows as you want to and putting them where you want them to be. Anywhere that you put this product on, it will stay put, which I really like. So it's that freeze wax. Like I said, my eyebrows are not very even, but this really does the job. Too much of the product can tend to build up and cause like these little flakes. Doesn't look very good, but I also just have pretty flaky eyebrows because of my retinol. Okay, and then, but the wax can like ball up, if you can see that. It does ball up pretty quickly, so you just want to use a really light hand and not too much product. And then I just like to scrape the spoolie down to kind of lay everything flat. Let's talk about pros and cons of the product. Pro, I feel like this will last you so long. You need the smallest amount and just barely tapping your brush into the product. I feel like this is gonna last me for a really long time, especially considering I've been using this almost every day for about almost a month now. In my opinion, this does hold your brows in place all day. They do feel a little waxy to the touch, but they really stay where you want your brow hairs to stay, which is what everyone is looking for in a brow wax, and I absolutely love this stuff. The only con that I would have to say is if you use too much product, it does ball up and it tends to look really flaky. It can cause these little white flecks. Like if you look at the spoolie here, let me see if I can get this close enough. The wax, I don't know if you can tell here, but the wax does turn into kind of clumpy, clear little balls. And so you do really want to be careful to use a very light hand, otherwise you can see that in your brows if you use too much product. Very, very light hand, and use just a little bit and build it up more if you need more. But overall, I would say less is more for this product. I really love the idea of this product. I love that it's clear. If you were to fill in your eyebrows, I would do so first. I don't typically fill my eyebrows in with product unless it's absolutely necessary, but I do tint my brows. I do have a video tinting my brows and talking all about my brow care routine on my channel, so you can check that out if you want to see more about my brows. But overall, this product is amazing. I would definitely recommend this to anyone if you really like that sort of model off-duty soap brow look. This is a great alternative. I personally like this better than using soap in my brows. The soap brows, I have a tutorial all about how to do that on my channel as well. I did have a hard time investing in this product just because it is a little bit more expensive for the amount that you get, but knowing how little I use, how little product I use, and how it's just so quick and easy, and I just love the way that it works, it's definitely worth it to me. I prefer the Anastasia Brow Freeze over using soap in my brows, and the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel that I've used forever. I prefer this so much more. I don't think I mentioned this, but it also dries to a pretty matte finish. It does feel a little waxy, but they do stay in place all day, which what was that? But they do stay in place all day, which is, I know, what everyone's looking for. Please let me know if you guys have tried this product and what you thought of it. As always, thank you guys so much for joining me today. Be sure to subscribe by clicking that red button down below, and we'll see you next week. Bye.